G'day everyone, we're going to look at exercise P6.1. First of all, file, new, part. First one is a pin with a new sketch, top plane, circle, right mouse click and scroll it up, it gives you dimension, and this is 10, and then we're going to extrude that by 20. So there's our pin. Okay. File, new part, and we're going to go sketch, new sketch, and what face is that on? This one as well. This time we're going to do a rectangle. Dimension it. So this one is 30. This length is 120. I'm going to put a construction line through the middle. So infinite length construction. Tick. Then click on that construction line, click Shift, and click on the top line and the bottom line, and you'll get these relations down the side here. If we go to symmetric, it'll put it in the middle for us and lock it there. And then from there, we are going to draw some circles. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And they are all 10 millimeters. So we can either go through and we can dimension every single one, or if we click on one, hold down Shift and click on all of them, come down here and say equals, and it'll make them all the same. And then we dimension them as it says. So the first one is 15, the second one is 45, the third one is 75, and the last one is 105. Then we extrude that by 10 mils. Okay. And then we come up to our material, edit material. This one is 1020 steel. Apply. If we go back to our first part as well, our peg, and that's 1020 steel as well. So right click, edit material, AC 1020 steel, apply. Alright, our third part, so file, new, part, there's a bracket. So if we go sketch, new sketch, let's go on the front plane, draw a square, draw another square, use the trim entities tool and cut that piece out, and we say that is 10 mil. So that is 10. This is 10. And this one is 10. Okay, extrude that to a depth of 5. Cancel that. Come back to our sketch. Still need to dimension this one. So this is 40. And this height is 50. That's better. Features extrude by 30. Okay. Right click, new sketch. And we have a circle that is 10 mil. And it is 15 mil from the edge here. And it looks centered, so I would say that it is 15 mils here too. Okay, features cut. We want to cut through all of it, so we go through all. And go okay, that gives us our 2 holes in there. And then we have a hole in this one. So again, right click, sketch. Put a circle in, dimension it to 10 mils. Again, center it, so 15. Okay, extrude. Okay, so that gives us our bracket, and that one again is in 1020 steel. Apply, close, file, new assembly, make assembly, save. It's asking me to save it. Okay. So part 3 was the bracket. Part 2 was the spacer. I'll save as. Part 1 was the peg. I'll save as. And then we come back to our assembly. Assembly insert components. Now lock this here, it makes it so much easier. So if we pull out first our spacer, now if you hold down Control and left mouse click and drag, no, never mind, yeah, there we go, just a bit laggy. So you get a second one appears off it, and we want 2 of the brackets. Another one there, and pegs we want 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we do our mates. So we go mate, and we'll do this one first. We want this circle and this circle. Okay. This circle and this circle. Okay. this circle and this circle, okay. This circle and this circle, okay. And we want this face and this face, okay. 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 This circle and this circle, 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 okay. This face and this face, 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 okay. Let's spin that one around. Say this face and this face, and this face and this face, and that is your drawing, your assembly. And what's it asking? For an exploded isometric view. Okay, so if we click on a part, we go exploded view, and we can move that up, move the pins up, move the pins up, move this one down, move the pins down. Okay, and then make drawing from assembly. You'll be able to use whatever templates you use. And there's your assembled image. If you want to do isometrics as well, you can do that sort of stuff too.